Different seeds are different sizes, so some can be quite small, some can be quite large, or something like this, Calendula Indian Prince. It's a medium-sized seed and it produces quite a large seedling. So I'm just going to show you a demonstration here of how to put them into a seed tray. Now I've got a half-size seed tray here, and these are probably big enough for most people in their normal garden because you're not doing hundreds of seedlings all the time. You can even get quarter size and third sizes, which are really very useful. Reuse your seed trays. It's very, very important. So just make sure if it's a little bit dirty like this one is in the bottom, give it a tap out or brush it out, and that will be clean enough. Then you need to be filling it up with your seed compost, and these handy little pieces of equipment are sweetie scoops, and they're really, really easy. They make very, very good scoops for getting your compost into your tray really nicely. And what happens is that they fit exactly over the top of the tray so that you can get your surface of your seed actually smoothed down quite well, because that's if you manage to get it all in there in the right amount. My seed compost here at the moment is a little bit damper than normal, but that's fine, it won't matter. So make sure it's all level and then level off with the top. Now you're not doing it to the top of the tray. Good reason for that is one, when you put the seed and your seed is going to sit on the surface of the compost, when you water it, it's not going to fly over the top. Two, if you're putting the seed in there and you know you have to cover it with vermiculite, then there is enough room for the vermiculite to sit over the top of the tray. So as we said, this is Calendula. This is Indian Prince. This is a lovely form. It's quite tall and it's a really good type. Now again, just flick the top of the actual seed packet like so, and then open up, and we'll just show you this is a slightly different, and it's quite an irregular sized seed on this. So you can either put it on your gloved hand and tip it out, or you can just shake out really nicely, and I find it easier to shake it out and get a reasonably smooth even number of seeds around. That's enough. That's all you're going to need, like so. Then remember to make sure that you label, date, so that you know with the name and the date of it, and then you can cover this with vermiculite over the top, and you can either do the vermiculite by hand, or our handy little scoop is really, really easy for putting it over the top like this. It's almost like making a crumble, and you're just smoothing it over the top of the tray to make it neat and tidy like so, and then that is ready to water, go into the cold frame or the greenhouse depending on where you are producing these plants. Seeds are a really good way for the gardener to be able to produce plant material for themselves at home, and it's great to be able to trial out all sorts of different types of seed. If you see us at the shows, you'll see we have a big tray full of seeds like this, and you can buy them from us there, but also you can buy seeds from our website www.hardysplants.co.uk/seeds.